Hey guys, today I have my demonstration penis here with a circumcision line represented by a scar and a condom on to represent the skin. So yeah, this is the scar line, this is the skin, this is the head, this is the shaft, or the base of the shaft. So around here would be where the scrotum is. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do manual method 3, which is how to restore manually. And that is very simple. So what you do is you're going to have one hand locked around the base, just right where the shaft begins. And then the other hand, you're going to want to put your thumb and your index finger, and you can wrap your whole hand around right starting where the scar line is. So hand lined up with the scar line, other hand locked in tightly at the base, and you just want to pull moderately and apply tension with your palm facing out hand. This hand right here, you want to just pull that way. And you just want to do that for 2 minutes at a time. And that is using something called cyclic tensioning, which is a very effective technique. And what you want to do is just do this 2 minutes each time at a time, every 60 minutes of the waking day. That's what one person did. And this guy, after a year, went through a coverage index. He went through a coverage index of 3 to a coverage index of 8. So a coverage index of 3, for those of you who don't know, is 0 coverage when soft. But a coverage of 8 is complete coverage when soft with a little bit of overhang. So this guy had a tremendous amount of progress in a really short amount of time, just 1 year of doing this. So applying tension for 2 minutes every 60 minutes, and you do it the other way as well. This feels a little bit awkward, palm facing in, so palm facing out is the go-to way for manual method 3. And just be sure to have the base really locked in right where the scrotum begins, so you can prevent anything, any turkey necking from happening, which is when like you have unwanted skin growing with unwanted tension applied to the scrotum, for example, and your skin would have like this unappealing looking flaps of skin right here. Hence the name turkey necking. So just get it really locked in. You want to have a tension applied to this section right here. So to do that, make sure you got your hands locked in tightly so you apply tension to the right area. And yeah, with this method, if you keep with that schedule, you can hope to get even a boost of 5 coverage index points. So if you're coverage index 1 right now, just starting out, or coverage index 0 rather, you could hope to get to a coverage index of 5 by the end of the year. For more information, go to my website as I apply the link below in the description box. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you.